Hello aspirants, you're welcome on Learning with L&R, and today we are going to discuss about the new topic, that is role of pediatric nurse in child care. And this is a very important topic, and in every uh, after the management of in any disease condition, you can write down this content. Okay, the role of pediatric nurse is constantly changing according to the time. These changes are as a result of expanding medical and nursing practice, emerging challenges in different aspects of childcare, consumer demands, and technological advancements. The role of the pediatric nurse may vary from one institution to another according to their protocol, but basic responsibilities remain the same. The role of pediatric nurse are primary, caregiver, coordinator and collaborator, advocate, then health educator, constant counselor, case manager, recreationist, social worker and researcher. And first of all, we have to discuss about the primary caregiver. Primary caregiver, pediatric nurse should provide preventive, promotive, curative and rehabilitative care in all levels of health services. In hospital, care of sick child includes comfort, feeding, bathing, safety, etc. At community setup, basic responsibilities include health assessment, immunization, primary health care and referral, etc. Then the second one is coordinator and collaborator. The nurse plays an extremely important role with the combination of healthcare team members. Nurse maintains good interpersonal communication with the child, family and health team members. The nurse coordinator coordinates nursing care with other services for meeting the needs of the child. For example, physician, social worker, surgeon, physiotherapist, dietitian. She connected with them for the care of the baby. Nurse advocate. The pediatric nurse acts as an advocate to safeguard the child's right, to assist or to provide best care from the healthcare team. Nurse acts as a representative for the child, family and other healthcare providers. For example, it can range from consulting dietary department for special foods to arrange team meeting to discuss plan of care with other health team members. Then health educator. Under this, we have to discuss about the nurse goals of health teaching is to provide information to the child, parent and significant other about prevention of illness, promotion of or health maintenance. Characteristics of nurse teachers include 4 C's: confidence, competence, communication, caring and empathy. Then the fifth one is nurse consultant. The pediatric nurse can act as a consultant to guide parents for maintenance and promotion of health. For example, guiding parents about feeding practice, accident prevention. Then nurse counselor, then providing guidance to parents in health hazards of child and health team for own decision making in different situations. Then case manager, the pediatric nurse should organize care, monitor and evaluate patient treatment for successful outcome. He or she acts as a manager of pediatric care units in hospital, clinics and community. Then recreationist, the pediatric nurse plays a supportive role for the child to provide play facilities for recreation and diversion. It helps to decrease crisis imposed by illness or hospitalization. Then, as a social worker, pediatric nurse can participate in social services or refer child or family to child welfare agencies for necessary support. Nursery researcher, research is an integral part of professional nursing. Pediatric nurse should participate or perform research activities. It helps to provide basis for changes in nursing practices, improvement in child care and evaluate the care. After that, role of pediatric nurse. The pediatric nurse's role is unique because of for development, immaturity and vulnerability of children. The goals of nursing care of children based on primary health care are: promote the healthy maturation as a physical, intellectual and emotional being within the context of his family and communities. Then provide health care for the child who requires treatment from disease and as a secondary level, dealing with the child disability in tertiary level. Therefore, the role of the pediatric nurse includes the primary level through health education to child and his parents, providing child's basic needs and immunization. She can maintain child health, help the child achieve his optimal growth and development, then prevent diseases and their complications. Then in secondary level, the nurse has to provide care to sick children and their families by assessing their needs, planning for care, implementing the plan, evaluating children's condition, providing health teaching in children and their parents. In tertiary level, the nurse should assist children to return to their maximum level of functioning following illness or disabilities. Then, as a nurse depends on education, experience, job structure, professional demand, preventive care, promotive care, curative care, health education, restoration health, and coordination. It depends. She has done diploma, graduation, post-graduation, doctoral degree. According to that, she can play their role in profession. Then nursing task and skills. First one, general nursing care. Monitoring of vital signs, administration of fluid and electrolytes and drugs, diagnostic and therapeutic procedures, nursing procedures, resuscitation skills, specialized nursing and monitoring skills, vaccination, prevention of nosocomial infection, and universal precaution. Then the next one, through the international activities of World Health Organization, integrated management of childhood illness, United Nations International Children and Emergency Fund and other health agencies are providing to develop the level of child health care throughout the world. Nowadays, the child care is very much improved. It includes hospital environment for a sick child, advanced changes in medical and nursing care. Then, expansion in independent role of the pediatric nurse practitioner, pediatric clinic nurse specialist, pediatric nurse master's clinician. Then there is a difference between old concepts and new one. Firstly, the nurses should be provide the disease-centered care. Nowadays, the care provided to the child as a child-centered care. Discourage the families on neglect the female child. Now take care of female child with immunization of tetanus. Care of the women after becoming pregnant earlier. Now health education on planned parenthoods and doing the maternal health. Then earlier, special care during the last trimester and the postnatal period of the child born with congenital anomalies and hereditary disorders. Nowadays, early identification and family counseling based on biochemical screening and chromosomal studies, it helps to prevent congenital anomalies and hereditary disorders in children. Then the next one, caring of the child after the birth only, caring the health of the child from the day of conception. Then the next one, care of the sick children in the hospital, participate in the prevention of illness and health promotion activities, care the physical condition of the child in hospital only. Now comprehensive cares of child in his home community, in his home, given by the community health nurse or the community health center. Not allowed the parent to be with the child in the hospital and reducing the visiting hours ward in earlier time, and presently ensuring that the children must have stay with them and participate in the care, flexible visiting hours in pediatric. One of the illness oriented, now one of health oriented. Only cleanliness and treatment are there. Now warmth and love oriented care provided to the child. Then the next one is curative and rehabilitative care to the children in hospital given. Then health promotion activities by ensuring environmental stimulation and intelligent manipulation of the environment, adequate play activities service related to the fertility, sex education and counseling. and earlier adopt the indifferent attitude to child neglect and abuse by family and society, safeguarding and protect the child rights by health providing, cultural practice and law encouragement. I hope you have clear with the role of child health nurse during the hospitalization of the child. And if you feel any kind of problem, kindly inform me. I feel very happy to help you. Thank you.